Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is immediate. Make sure Windows and the Surface app are updated. This enables pen settings and firmware updates. Attach the pen magnetically to the tablet's edge to wake it and check that any LED or vibration indicates power. If your pen uses a replaceable AA battery, swap it now. If it's rechargeable, plug it in. Once done, you'll be ready to move into Bluetooth pairing and button configuration. Next, pair the pen and tailor controls so it behaves how you want. Open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device, then select Bluetooth. Press and hold the pen's top or side button until it shows up in the list and tap to pair. Verify any code if prompted. After pairing, open the Surface app to set button functions, pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and shortcut mappings. This is why pairing first matters. Settings apply only once the device is connected. Finish by verifying real-world use and resolving common issues. Open a drawing or note app and test strokes, pressure levels, tilt and button shortcuts. Calibrate an app or via Windows if lines are misaligned. If you see disconnects, repair the pen and try a fresh battery or recharge. Latency often resolves after repairing. If behavior is erratic, update the Surface firmware or reinstall the Surface app. One quick tip: restart the tablet before deep troubleshooting to clear temporary Bluetooth glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.